Illusto review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Illusto. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to illusto.com. And if you haven't signed up for Illusto yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. Now going back in here, if you don't know Illusto, it is a powerful online video creation platform that allows users to create engaging videos for various purposes, such as social media, promos, video ads, GIFs, and many more, in which it is designed to be fast, easy to use, and limitless, making it accessible for individuals and businesses. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail by simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel. And as you can see, we have here Illusto Free, Illusto Essential, and Illusto Business Plan. And below, you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. But if you want to purchase a one-time deal of any of this plan, you can simply go to this platform called AppSumo, and on the search bar, kindly search Illusto. And below here, it will show you the lifetime deal amounting to $29, and currently, they have a 51% discount. And also, this plan are only a one-time payment deal. So that means you don't need to pay annually or monthly. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the feature and benefits it included. And also, you will see here the overview of this Illusto. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you the two plans that they offer, including the license tier 1 and 2. In each plan are only a one-time purchase, and you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included below. Now going back to this page right here, in those options I'm going to choose the free plan, or you could also click this try for free button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and from here you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or email address. And after signing up, you will be directed on this page, which is the dashboard of Illusto.com. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can navigate, such as Home, My Videos, and Templates option. And by clicking the Home, you will see here some of the templates and also a different kind of layouts that you want to create. We have here YouTube videos, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and many more. While by clicking My Video option on the left side panel, you will be able to see here the list of your videos, drops, export, and all the videos that you publish. While under the Templates option on the left side panel, you will be able to see here a variety of templates that you can use and start creating your own video using some of these templates. However, I'm just going to create my own videos without the use of templates. And to do that, kindly go to the home page and just click this button right here that says Create Video. And now, from here, you can also see a variety of options that you can navigate on the left side panel, which is the editing tools. And if you want to change the title of this project, you could also do so by simply clicking this title right here and entering the title that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter here sample video. And after that, you could also start navigating some of the options on the left side panel, such as the media, video, image, audio, subtitle, text, graphics, and any other editing tools. But before that, you firstly need to upload a video from your computer files. And to do that, kindly click this upload and just choose the video files from your computer. And now, while we're waiting for the video to be imported, we can also start navigating some other options, such as this video option on the left side panel, in which from here, you will see a variety of video or short video that you could also add to your video timeline. Or you can search on the search bar if you're looking for a specific video. And also, same as this image, you will be able to see here a variety of picture that you could also use to start adding in our timeline. And now, to start adding to our timeline this video, kindly click this plus button to add to track. And now, as you can see, the video are now part in our timeline. And you could also drag it to the left or to the right to adjust the duration of this video. And also, to add a video in our timeline, you can simply drag the video down here. So as you can see, we have now 2 video clips on our timeline. And to start editing, or customizing this video, we can use some of the editing tools on the left side panel, or by simply clicking any of this clip. You'll be able to see on the left side panel the video, the audio that you could also customize the volume, the fade in duration, the fade out, and also to add the filters on this clip, in which you will see a variety of filters that you could also choose to change the vibe and color or filter of this clip. And aside from that, you can even change the effect or add an effect for this clip. And you can choose a variety of effects which is categorized, including frame, split screen, retro, nature, and many more. And aside from this option on the left side panel, you could also use some of the editing tools that you can find right here by simply clicking this audio icon. You will be able to start voiceover while simultaneously playing a video in order to add a voice on it. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also customize the audio of this video by simply clicking the audio option, in which from here, you will be able to start adding a music or sound effect for our video. And all of this music or sound effects are offered for free on this platform. And aside from that, if you want to add the subtitles, you could do so by simply clicking the subtitles option on the left side panel, in which you can use auto-generate subtitles, or you can add the line or manually create a subtitles. And also, if you want to add a context, you can do so by simply clicking this text option on the left side panel, in which from here, you could also add a different kind of subtitles. We have here normal subtitles, lyric subtitles, free text, and many more. And you could also navigate the graphics option in order to search for a specific sticker and other kind of graphics element that you can add to your video. And aside from that, you can navigate the filter and effect section on the left side panel, which is also the same as we did earlier. And aside from effect and filter, you could also add a transition to your video. Since we do have two clips in our timeline, we can choose a different kind of transition such as 3D, 2D, and other kind of transition that will make our video more creative and more interesting to watch. And after adding all of the elements and other editing tools that we apply in our videos in order to export or save the changes, kindly proceed by clicking the export button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show us a list of video quality that you want to import your video. We have here 480p, 720 pixel, 1080, 4K, and even to upload or export this video as an audio or GIF. And after that, just click the export button below to proceed. And after exporting this video, it will show us that the export is now in progress. And after that, from here, you will be directed on this page, in which you can even add a description of your video, and to save your video, publish your video with other platforms such as in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and even on LinkedIn account. So that is just how you can use Illusto. Thank you.